Mga sisi ko, welcome back to my new vlog. Today, December 27, 2025. Another vlogs na naman tayo mga sisi ko. Yeah. So, we're going to
buy your notebook.
first, yes. Then after that, going to Lidl.
After that, yeah, maybe to Lidl, we'll see.
Yeah. Supermarket.
We'll see.
Alright, here you go. Are you ready?
Yeah, sure.
I think Mina not yet. Not yet. Ready. I need to seat belt.
Yeah, that's good.
Alright.
Seatbelt is always good.
Yes.
Uncle, can you put that in the pocket on the
Yeah,
side?
sure. Here you go. Ang labig mga sisi ko. Tingnan na nakabukas na yung aircon. I mean heater. I said it's cold.
Yeah. It will come cool.
Yeah.
One right time. Sorry.
Ako sa inyo mga sisi ko. Kung saan tayo dadaan. May that Praktiker. Praktiker.
Yeah?
It's not on the right.
Oh, we can take different roads. I take the main road.
Okay.
It's a little bit easy.
It's also, you can also take this area.
No, but it's an dead end.
Dead. Sorry, my
I
bad.
can take it from here or from there. I can go.
Uh-huh.
Or from usually from the tight grid on the side. It doesn't matter much.
Okay. You're the boss.
Yeah.
Do whatever you want.
If you want, let's drive a little bit. It doesn't matter.
Si mahal ko the van is on the left, the driver. On the right, the driver's on the right. Did you see?
Yes, because it's bought from England probably. They drive on the other side of the road. Here, to be honest, for the city traffic, okay. But outside of the city, it's bad because it's endangering your life. You need to more this space to see. You cannot go in front of others. It's very, very hard. It's dangerous. It's super dangerous. That's why I never take a right wheelie. I don't know how it's called in English. A right volant, whatever. Always take it in the left side.
Left maneuver. Or right maneuver. I also don't know. Mahal ko.
Да. What's this?
For deposit.
Okay.
I take all.
Okay.
And we're going to withdraw on January 5. Do you agree? Sa mga sisi ko, papunta na tayo ng practical. Almost there. I think the weather is not good. It's going to rain. Did you see the darts?
Possibly, but not certainly. Not sure exactly if it's going to rain. It's possible.
We'll see. It's cloudy.
Sorry, I'm on it.
No worries. Wow, it's a lot of people.
Yeah, that's right.
Di mahulugang karayo mga sisi ko. Ang tao siguro sa loob kasi walang parking space. What do you see? Ah, here, I saw that.
Here on the left?
Yes, on the left. One space. Here's better. You don't like here?
I like, but
You prefer... on the
Here.
left.
yeah.
Okay, on the right then. We're lucky though. Dito na kami mga sisi ko. Nag-park lang ng maayos ang asawa ko. Gusto niya daw align yung pagka-park niya. Struggling pa rin siya.
No, there's no struggle.
Ay, hindi daw pala. Ako lang pala yung struggling para sa kanya.
There is no struggle. I just wanted to be perfectly in the center.
Okay.
I don't know, just like
Good citizen. You don't want to
I
bother
don't want to be on
someone.
the borders. Yeah, because I know what it is like to be bed park. Somebody bed park you and you cannot open even your door.
I understand it. So, hi there.
You have space?
Yes, I have a lots of space. No worries. Ang lamig, nakalimutan ko yung sombrero ko. Okay.
I just need to take my part.
Saglit lang naman kami doon. Maghahanap lang ako ng notebook. Para sa pagsusulatan ko. Nagsi-self-study kasi ako mga sisi ko. So, kailangan ko ng notebook na ubos nakakasulat. Nasaan siya? Antayin natin. Ngayon siya. Let's go inside. Ang lamig.
Exactly on New Year and on first it will be super cold, like minus 10 degrees.
Yes, minus 10 degree.
Euroland.
Yeah, that's one that I told you, Euroland, but it's Chinese. Mga sisi ko, nakakatawa. It's a Euroland, but it's Chinese. Fish banana. Oh, they also selling. Coco. Coco.
It's like 19 lira.
Ah, it's okay.
This is kind of 18 lira.
It's also this, but it's okay. It's expensive. I don't like the fries. I don't like to spend a lot.
Where's the school supply?
I'm looking right now school supply mga sisi ko. But this one is for Christmas gift. Kade? Tuk, dobre.
Marco, you want to eat something from lunch there?
No, I'm full. How about you? Where's the notebook?
Here the notebooks. There's not much change. Kaufland is not change, to be honest. Check it. If you like it.
I think this one. Hanap ko. Sisi ko, ito yung napili ko. How many pieces is this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's
notebooks.
5 pieces mga sisi ko.
No, actually 4. This is not good.
Ah, okay, it's 4
Four
pieces.
notebooks.
I think another one. I will take another one. This one. Let's check inside.
It's regular.
It's regular.
Mm.
Where's the...
No, this is like white, totally white only.
Okay, maybe same design. Alright, let's go to the counter and pay. What is this? It's cute. 35 to 20. And also this. I have 6. Okay, hi there. Nakasa ta. Is it right? Nakasa ta? Kaya na ang sisi ko, mag-wide mo kami. Sisi ko, tapos na siya magbayan. Punta na kami ng Kaufland. But I think it's wrong. It's
Oh,
over there.
Sorry. It's the same.
Ang lakas ng hangin mga sisi ko. Nalamig ako. Wrong again. Other.
Wrong?
Yeah, other aisle.
Oh, why park so far?
I don't know.
I'm a little bit bored.
I don't know. I think you're not. You're just only absent-minded like me. That's why we're fit to each other. Compatible.
I think I'm not absent-minded in general.